Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to play stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Bagdanoff will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hi Mia, hi El Negro, hi Arviel, hi Ariel. Hello Adrian, hi Myla. Hello Chris Cruz, hello Ray. Hello Jeramil. Hello Junbert Binyega, hi. Looks like you're new, right? Jan, Kenneth, hello. Hello Lodi, Matthew, Angela, hello. Klein, hello. Yes, everybody's excited with the BTC. Okay. So, basic technical analysis you must learn. Okay, so for basic technical analysis you must learn at least you know the basic trading area. Okay, support and resistance. Okay, so how to find support and resistance? You can find it by drawing trend lines. Okay, hello, hi Rio. So support and resistance, let's try in 4-hour time frame. Right here, the basic that I will be teaching you is this one. For example, this one. It is going down right here, forming lower low. So what you do is you'll just form a trend line, okay? Trend line where you get rejected, okay? So you get rejected here, and then you get rejected here, and then you get rejected here, and so you form that trend line right there. For the support, this one is the resistance above, and then this one is the support. So from top, you get support here, you bounce here, you bounce here, and then you bounce here. Okay? So this is the trend line. You're gonna find the support and resistance. And so as you found the support and resistance, you can plot out where it is going again. So this candle right here is a breakout candle. Okay? And when I gave signals this morning, okay, I gave signal this afternoon. The signal that I gave is this one. Okay? Can I find the text that I provided? Where's the text? Daily. Let's check. Weekly. Here. Okay, let me bring it in the middle and then 4 hour. Okay, here. So here's the signal I provided in the entry is 38256. Okay? The entry is 38256. I gave this signal for this breakout here, long position. Okay? So we were trying this one here, 3825266 here, and then the breakout happened here in the next candle for our time frame. Okay? So basically, our entry long position is the breakout from this trend right here. Okay, so once you know the support and resistance, yes, it's good to put support resistance in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so once you find the pattern, the chart pattern, that's when you can plot your support and resistance area. Okay, so this one you can find this chart is right here. Let me show you the pattern that it is forming here. This one is bullish. Here, bullish expanding triangle. This one is bullish expanding triangle. So it went down and then slowly, gradually expanding and then broke out to the upside. And this is exactly what it looks like. That went down and then gradually growing, expanding, and then it broke out to the upside. Okay? So I hope you joined the signal. Okay? I gave the signal here. It was sent here 1 p.m. Okay? The signal was given 1 p.m. and let me show you the picture when I gave the signal. So the signal was still going to the upside, okay? Still about to break, okay? Not yet. So I gave signal in the breakout itself. I did not give the signal that you enter here and then you ride up to here, no. Because unless it breaks, you ride. But if it doesn't, then we get rejection, then goes down, okay? So I gave you the signal in what it was given to you 1:10, okay? 1:10 p.m. Okay? And I hope you tried this signal with you. Okay, so the whole TA was the 4-hour time frame. Okay, it was here in, maybe it was here for our 4-hour time frame. The TA is given here. So I told you all the checklist is here. We found support in the area of 37664. So this is the 37664 here, the green line here. So we found support here. So I noticed there is a support here because it did not went to the downside. So meaning we have changed trend. Okay? So this is in daily or in 4-hour time frame. Okay. So I said a breakout is incoming at 38,256 to the upside. The checklist is complete. 3 bulls and 3 bears. So when I say 3 bulls and 3 bears, you look at it this way. 3 bulls. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so at least you have 3 bulls, or you include this one if you don't include this one. Okay? So at least 3. Minimum of 3 bulls and 3 bears. The bears are 1, 2, if you include this one, 3, and then 4. Or this one, 3. Okay? 3 bears and bulls. Once you see this one, then that is already ripe for breakout. What else did I said in the checklist? Awesome oscillator is bullish twin peak. So the awesome oscillator is bullish twin peak, this one. So it means there is no volume anymore to the downside. But a change of trend is coming. Hello Ben, hello Diana. Okay? Diana, okay. So, going back, this is our bullish here, and this is our bearish twin, and this is our twin peaks. Oops. Okay. So this is the twin peaks right here. Okay, even though this is lower low right here. Oops. Even though this is lower low, the volume is higher low. Okay, no more volume, or the twin peaks, bullish twin peaks. Let me show you in our awesome oscillator. Here. So, this is saucer here. So even though this is lower low, our awesome oscillator is higher low. So it's bullish twin peaks, meaning it's gonna change direction to the upside. Okay, so the same picture here. It went down, but our volume is going up, so we can expect a change direction to the upside. Okay? So that's how you do your support and resistance. You draw where the candle gets rejected and where the candle gets supported. Okay? That's support and resistance. For weekly time frame, to find the basic support and resistance. Okay, let's hide the text. Let's hide the... For weekly time frame, this is also support and resistance, okay? The previous low last week, and then the previous high. That is usually the first trading area. It's not just the support and resistance, but it's also the trading area where the market would most likely trade in this area. Okay, and if you check it in 4-hour and daily time frame, even in daily time frame, we have a breakout. Okay, 4-hour time frame. So if you, let's hide the Ichimoku and the EMA. So in 4-hour time frame, you can also make a side horizontal support and resistance. Okay, so where we were always gets a rejection, like this one here, we get a rejection here. Okay, another here, like this one, we have found support because right here our candle got a sideways in this area. Support, support, broken, and then resistance, resistance, broken, and then support, 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 then broken. Okay, so basically you put your line where you have found strong support and resistance. Okay, okay, okay. So from there you can make sense of the change of trend and stuff. Okay, so that's a basic for our what I can teach you for basic technical analysis you must learn. Okay, so you also get to familiarize these charts right here, the chart patterns. Okay, so you can always spot right away, is this head and shoulder, is this inverted, is this double top, is this double top, double bottom. Okay, so you can easily spot right away the patterns that it's forming. Okay, so I have a new mouse now and a new keyboard, so at least we will have no problem with our mouse anymore. Okay, so just got delivered by our Shopee. Shopee PPP. Hello Rio, hello Gabriel. I'm user and newbie. What is the best indicator to use, sir? So what is the best? This one, Awesome Oscillator. I like that one. Okay, so you can use Awesome Oscillator. Our channel will be uploading at least maybe 2 videos per week regarding indicators. Okay, so make sure you subscribe in our channel. Okay, because we will be teaching indicators in our channel. I'll be teaching it, and it's a direct to the point where you can use it and how you can use it. Okay, and some examples in the market. Okay, so I have this Awesome Oscillator because this can show you some divergences. Okay, bullish direction, bearish direction, when is the top, when is the bottom. That's Awesome Oscillator's job. Okay, okay, okay. Now the cat not hunting the mouse. Yeah, yeah. The mouse can freely move now. Okay, it's all good now in our mouse. Okay, cheers to that. Okay, so smooth now. That mouse served me for at least a year also. Okay, so feel good with the mouse already. Okay, so iconic name, hello. Okay, so that's the basic. Okay, for our trend line. You can also find support and resistance by finding the where it gets rejected, and you can also apply the box and chill. Okay, because it's also a support and resistance. For example, you find it here, like this one. There is a sideways there, then that means that's a box. That's a box there, and then you wait where it moves, and then it will make a massive move again. Okay, right here, box and chill again, and then it moved to the upside. Okay, another sideways or a consolidation here, box and chill, and then moves to the downside. Okay, so if we fulfill this breakout here, the price target is 40,780. Okay, but of course, not without a fight. Our 1 hour time frame, we have broken the Ichimoku cloud. Cheers. Okay, so I was doing the TA while it was still here inside the cloud, and we got rejected, but the second candle really broke out to the upside. Okay, so we'll see where we will be having that box and chill again. Okay, 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 sir, I already subscribed, sir. I will wait for your upload about the indicators. Yes, we will upload indicators. Okay, as many indicators as we can, and you can find it helpful, and you can find what fits your personality, and you can choose what you want to use. Okay, okay, so now let's go for our news. What's news today on Bitcoin? You see the news for Bitcoin today. I gave you some glimpse. I am not the authority in our Russian war, but here's what I think. Thank you for our picture here. It's corrupted, and here our fear and greed index is extreme fear. And you know, whenever you are in the market, when it's in extreme fear, that's when you become greedy. When in the extreme extreme greed, then that's when you become fearful. Okay, that's the advice of some successful investors. When people are fearful, be greedy. When people are greedy, be fearful. Okay, so that's the same advice I will be giving you. So I think with this Russian-Ukraine war, I think this is just a FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. So it will pump hard in the following days, and we even break out already. So I think it's starting. And as I notice when I start looking out the news and start looking out deeper about the Ukraine and Russia is part of the Soviet Union. Okay, when I say Soviet Union, they are the second world. Okay, we are the third world, right? The Asia is third world. So politically speaking, we cannot call ourselves third world anymore because there is no second world anymore. The Soviet Union collapsed. And in Soviet Union, these 12 independent countries are united by the Soviet Union, and Ukraine is part of it. The people in Ukraine are also Russians. Okay, so basically they have the same background, they have the same culture, they have the same dress code, they have the same principles, they have the same ethnicity. So they have Russian leaders. Okay, so basically it's like a province of Russia, just like that. Okay, so looking from this perspective, if Russia is conquering Ukraine, they are just taking their own. They are just getting what they really have. Okay, and when the Soviet collapsed and Ukraine declared its independence, Putin was still young during that time, but he don't agree with it. He looks at Ukraine as really part of Russia still, or the Soviet Union, and he doesn't want it to go to the capitalism, the Western. Okay, so now Putin is taking it back. Okay, so I don't think if there will be war, it will be the NATO. Okay, the group that was created to fight against Soviet Union, but the Soviet Union is already dissolved, so the NATO doesn't have purpose. So now the NATO has new purpose, which is this Russia. They created NATO because the Soviet is so huge. Okay, they need to fight it. And do you know that Russia is not afraid? Russia is not afraid for any economic sanction because Russia has already accumulated a number of dollars in the reserve. They have dollars, they have British pound, they have gold reserve, they have euro in their bank reserve. Okay, so even if the Russia sanction, even if the US sanction Russia, they will be immovable because they have their own dollar already. Okay, so even if they say the ruble, the stock, they will dump the Russia. No, I don't think it will affect Russia. So from this perspective, you can see that Putin has made a calculated risk. Okay, he's like a trader, day trader. He calculated his risk. If I attack this Ukraine, what's the worst case scenario? Okay, we have prepared already for the worst case scenario. We will not be affected by it. Okay, and Russia is supplying Germany and other countries with gasoline. Okay, and it's a cheap source. So even this NATO, this association of countries, okay, to fight against Soviet Union, they cannot attack this country right away. Okay, because it's the Russia who is providing them gasoline. So if you attack this, I don't know if you can survive. They are changing to natural, right? Natural energy like wind, like solar, but to fully rely on these natural resources, these renewable resources like sun and wind, it takes them at least 2050, the year 2050. They can fully rely on it. And since Russia knows it, so they know that even this European will still rely on their gas. Okay, which is cheaper. Okay? So I don't think war is imminent yet for the NATO to attack Russia because they are still economically reliant on Russia. Okay, so I think this is just a fad. Okay? And once all the people are opening short position, that's when it goes up. Once, boss, kailan tayo lulusubin ng Russia? Don't worry. I think Duterte is a friend of the Putin, right? Okay. I don't think we will be attacked by Russians. Hello, Darwin Apan. Thank you for joining us. So what I'm saying is this is just a fad, fear, doubt, uncertainty. So nothing to worry. And as you can see, our market really pump again. Okay, so whenever people are fearful, just open a long position. When you see it's extreme fear, okay, open a long position. Okay, and of course, you need at least a basic technical analysis. Just like I gave you the signal here. So you open a long position here and you have made money already. Okay, the other phone is not beside me. I opened a long position with this entry right here. Okay, so I think it's already 70% up from here. Okay, so if you did also, then you're all good. Okay. Okay, so that's our news for the fear and greed and fear index. Okay, nothing to worry about our greed and fear. All our news now is still bearish. Bitcoin recovers hold. Technical suggests fresh decline to 36k. 5 hours ago. So this is still bearish. It's not yet broken. Bitcoin is currently facing resistance in 38.4. We broke already 38.4. Okay. So we have predicted well in this area. So this news is already to gain bullish momentum, the price must settle above 38.8. Okay, so currently right now our Bitcoin price is 38.9. Okay? So we are gonna gain another bullish momentum. Okay? And then we move above 39.5 resistance. Okay? So we are in a bullish momentum now, okay? So this news is already late. Okay? So let's check another one. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge recovers thanks to deep buying and seller exhaustion, okay? So all the sellers got tired already. Okay, 1 hour time frame, Adrian. So you're asking if you already have your support and resistance, then it's good to look at the 1 hour time frame. Okay? And you can add your Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so you can find the support and resistance also. Okay, seller exhaustion, analyst says watch out for these two key levels. Okay, all are up now. Why is it moving? The fear and greed index. Extreme fear was signaling neutral last week. A senior market analyst distributed the gain to deep buying and seller exhaustion. So the institution has buy the dip already and the banks has buy the dip already. Okay, that's why we are going back up. Okay, buying the dip. Okay, the institution keeps the market in balance. So they manipulate the market. So there is a indicator. I forgot the name of indicator. I hope I will be able to recover that indicator. It's a good indicator. Whenever the line goes above that, whenever the line goes in that part, the institution tries to sell off. Okay, so that it will go in the middle again. Once it goes below and hit that extreme level, then the institution will start buying so that it will go back again in the middle. Okay, So that's the power of the institution. They can keep the price in the middle. If it is overbought, they will sell so that it will go in the middle. If it is oversold, they will buy so that it will go in the middle. Okay, they let the market move. It's like a puppet. Okay, and they are the one holding the string. Okay, that's how powerful these banks and institutions are in the area of the market, because they have so much funds that they can do whatever they want in the market. Okay, so to keep the balance. And then that's it. Okay. So these signals put Bitcoin on bearish path according to Glassnode. What's that signal? Price 33, entries. The chain metric provide touch upon long-term hodlers holding their asset for more than 155 days. Okay. Entries in profit range between 65. Okay. However, Glassnode determines that more than half of total BTC underwater 4.7 million coins is held by STH. This could be another worrying sign for the asset's short-term price movement, as these investors are statistically more likely to spend their holdings. Okay, so basically, there are holders that are statistically spend. So just statistically, okay, not that yet. So if you want, sell the news. Okay, here 30% Bitcoin supply enters into loss as price continues to decline. This is late news already, 13 hours ago, because we are recovering again to the upside. Okay. Geopolitical tension, rise, investors have started exiting out of risk markets. This has resulted in plunge in the price of Bitcoin. So once it goes down, SMC, okay, we'll see, okay? We will check about that one, okay? Okay, so here. Okay, basically that's our news for our Bitcoin, okay? So let's check now. Let's check our Bitcoin. Okay, all good in our Bitcoin. Okay. So let's check now our weekly time frame. Okay. We are now having a green candle in our weekly time frame. We are inside the cloud. We have a strong support in the cloud, and that's a good thing right there. And we are trying, if this holds, then we are having a primary low and then higher low. Okay, so we're gonna continue the trend to the upside. Okay, this is for our weekly time frame. And then our daily time frame, our butterfly RSVVB. Okay, this one is, we are still in a healthy, we are still waiting for it to accumulate first. So like this one, gonna compress, okay, and then pump to the upside. Right now we are gonna compress here and then pump to the upside again. Okay, so we are not yet in that area, so we hope to see that soon. Accumulation and then pump to the upside. Okay, let's check the daily. Our RSI is still in the middle and below. We're gonna cross this moving average, and once we cross this moving average, that's bullish already. Okay, right now we are below. Daily time frame, we are just in a healthy accumulating phase. Okay, our awesome oscillator is already below. So I hope we're done with our correction, right? We're done with the liquidating assets of the long position. Okay, we have entered the cloud in daily time frame. So if this continues, we can expect more to the upside. Okay, go bulls, you can do it. because this one is bullish harami, so we can expect this one to be a green candle also. Okay, so this is our daily time frame, and for our 4-hour time frame, so basically we have broken out from our price target here, double top. This is double top right here, and then the price target was from top to bottom. We already reached the price target, so now it's time to go up again. Okay, so we are hoping that this is a breakout, not a fake out. Okay, if we get a rejection, then we're gonna have a fake out, but if not, we're gonna look at it like this one, and then test, and then goes up. Let me check the 1-hour time frame. So in our 1-hour time frame, okay, it breaks, went up, find rejection here. Okay, so I apologize for my pet. It's our house is beside the road, and they usually bark when people crosses. That's their job, right? So I apologize for I cannot stop them, so I'll try to minimize it. Okay, so this is our Bitcoin right now in 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we are looking at a breakout chart, and we are forming another uptrend right here. So this is, let's try to draw some trend line here where we can find a next support. Okay, so if this is the uptrend, then this is the new trend to the upside. So we can find support here, support here, support here. Okay. Our rejection area is right here in the green line. If we break it, the next rejection area is right here. Okay, the previous high. And then the next rejection. Okay. So this is for our 4-hour time frame. It's good that we have broken already this trend here, as there will be 3 bulls and 3 bears, so there's a chance of change of direction. Okay, so right now we are looking at the Bitcoin. Still it's in a sell position, not yet, and we are not yet oversold. Okay, in 1-hour time frame, so there is more to the upside. Okay, and our awesome oscillator is telling us higher high, so there is still volume to the upside. Okay, we are not surrendering yet. Okay, so I just closed the door. Hello. Okay, so this is our 4-hour time frame, and we are looking forward for more upside, as our awesome oscillator is still so bullish. Okay, so and our RSI is not yet oversold, so we can expect more to the upside. Okay, so from here, okay, we have here. So if you ask me how are you going to trade this one? You did not follow my entry, so you missed the ride. You wait for the correction then. Miss the ride, so you miss the ride, so you wait for the correction and then you ride again. Okay, I will not give you signal to ride it, even though there is still more to the upside. Might get rejected here and here. Okay, you might hit your stop loss in trying to catch the ride. Okay, once there's a clear breakout, that's a good thing. That's why I gave you the signal here, so that when it goes down, it's okay. If it goes down, then you have your stop loss 1 to 5%. Okay, and then if it doesn't, then you make money. Okay, so at least your risk is calculated. You will only lose a little, and then your profit is bigger. Okay, so and for those who are not yet part in our Trade Scholar community, make sure you join our Trade Scholar community, okay? So scan that QR code and you will be redirected here in our Trade Scholar community, okay? And from here, I will be giving signals in the afternoon, okay? So you can read our news to the upside, our news for the Bitcoin, and then we give the signal is not sent here. Okay, but there is also people who make profit also. Okay, so he opened also long position. See, once Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. So you can also ride with the signal. Even though we don't give the specific, at least you can make money also. Okay, and then he shorted. Okay, good. Okay, and from there, you will be redirected to our practical trade scholar group community. Okay, so from here you will also get a signal. Okay, here you get the specific. That's why the signal that I provided is sent here. Okay, so this one sent here. Okay, so if you want this kind of signal, make sure you join our practical trade scholar. So this is our community, so you have free. If you open your Ulian account as our sponsor also, if you like what we are doing, then you can also join our Ulian exchange also, okay? And in Ulian exchange, at least if you have $100 balance in Ulian, then you can be moved to our practical group right away, okay? So just 5,000 peso, okay? And from there on, you can continue to grow your capital, okay? Until it grows to 500, and then you'll be part of our exclusive signals. One-on-one review meeting, learning videos, advanced courses, okay? That's our direction right there. Okay, and most importantly, we are teaching you to be wise in your funds, in your finances also, okay? That would be also beneficial for you, because we want you to be also financially stable, okay? Because it's hard to trade once it's your last money. We don't advocate that one. Don't encourage that if it is your last money, you don't trade it, because you will surely lose it. Okay? Because you will not be trading with right mind. Because you will be full of pressure in trading. So you need to trade at least your extra. Okay? Your extra funds. And you don't put so much responsibility in it. So we also teach you the psychology of the traders. Okay? So that you will be wise. Okay, and you can avoid some wrong decision making in trading. Okay, so feel free to join our Trade Scholar community. Scan the QR code and be part of our community. And you can ask our TS welcomer. So we have this one, a welcomer, so you will be welcomed here. And then from welcoming, and if you want to join our practical group, then you ask how to be part. Okay, we'll guide you how to be part. Okay. So do we have any suggested coin here? Let's check. Do we have any suggested coin? If not, we will check the usual coin. Okay, we'll check we will check Ethereum. Ethereum also. Ink. Check it in for our same trend, right? Okay, the support and resistance is same trend, widening broadening triangle. Here. Bullish expanding triangle. Even Ethereum has a bullish expanding triangle. From here, breakout. The breakout price will be the long position. Want to place long. Price target will be right here. So this is for the Ethereum. Okay, let's make some money. For the signal for Bitcoin, we will be giving it in the practical group, okay? For the specifics. These are the support, resistance area. You would most likely get a rejection. Okay? And that's exactly where our price target. Testing exactly our price target. So we can expect then rejected and find this as a support. Okay, so that's possible also. Okay. What else? Our awesome oscillator is also Twin Peaks. Super bullish Twin Peaks. So meaning we are gonna change trend to the upside. Okay? Cheers to those who did not succumb to the super extreme fear. Okay? We are still to the upside. We are still on our way to the upside. And our RSI is bullish already. You can expect more to the upside. Okay? So if you want to trade this one, just pull out some lines. Bottom. Okay. Our next resistance area will be in the 0.618. This is the next resistance area. Make sure we break this one. Next one is 0.5. Okay. The next strong distance is right here. 3102. And we can cross all here once we reach the 3102. Because our VPVR has strong volume here. Okay, there's a strong volume here. So it means we're gonna most probably get rejected there. Okay. Hello. Okay, we'll check XRP. Okay, hello, Mai. Okay. This is for our Ethereum. I'm gonna send the signal there. The upside, okay? Okay. Want a closer. Seven, 8. Okay. Split into others. Okay, we are now here. This is how our swing low to swing high. Then we found support in 0.5. And then we started. You pull out your fib line. Then base fib low. High, and then target is 1. We are still in 0.786. And we found support here. Thing right there. Next take profit is 1 to 750. The next is golden ratio. Oh, close. If I edit this one, I'm gonna add the 1.5. And add the 1.5 coordinates. Okay, here, the 1.5. So you can take profit 1.5 and 1. Even if you are not in our practical group, you know what I'm talking about, then you know already where to sell, okay, and where to enter. This is a support, so you can put a entry here also. Of course, I don't advise it. And if we go down, then you hit your stop loss. Okay, hard to guide it. So hello Manuel, thank you for joining us, and hello Lara, see you. Okay. This is our breakout trade to the upside. Okay, our entry is here, and we got it. Okay, so this is for our Ethereum. I'm gonna share the signal in our Telegram community. Okay, so let's check now the XRP. And by the way, if you are part of this community exclusive, you don't only get 2 signals, you get exclusive signals, as many signals as you want. Okay, and because we have been watching different coins, okay, we have been watching different coins, we check it out daily, and once we see a good entry, then we can also suggest that coin to you. Make sure you be part of our community right there. Okay, going back, let's check now XRP. XRP right here. Okay, and rejection. Might get rejection here. Okay, the rejection we will get rejected because it's a strong support also. You notice support, and then support, and then gonna get rejection, and gonna try again. We don't give up though, especially if we already break out. We found support here. Okay, we found support here because we found support here. Resistance here. Resistance turned to support. This can be our trading area unless we break this one. Okay, if we don't break it, then we can expect it to break to the upside or continue trading here. But of course, it depends on our Bitcoin. Okay, if Bitcoin wants to go up, then all will go up. Hello RA, hi, see you here. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so we are still in a healthy uptrend on our time frame. Okay, our trend line can be right here. Rejection is right here. So there is incoming rejection in this area. But if we break this, then there's possibility that we can bounce or move to the upside if we break this area. Okay, so we're gonna hit the next, we'll be back in the upside. Okay, this is for our XRP. Okay, pull out some fib line, bottom to top. Okay, and as you can see, we are rejected exactly in 0.618. Once we break that one, resistance turn to support. So we got rejected, and once we break this, then it becomes a support. Then we'll try to go up again. We're gonna rejected, and once breakout, it becomes a support. Okay, and then just like that. Wait, it most likely look like that. Or if we don't hold after breaking out here, then we fall back here. Okay. Okay. Let me pull out our 200 moving average. This 200 moving average is still crucial for us, okay? Okay, so we are again back breaking 200 moving average in 0.786. That's good. Okay, at least we are back again to the upside. Okay, cheers to that. Resistance starts in this area. We draw the box. We can have hard time with this resistance area right here. If we break this, then that would be great also. Not much volume here. The volume kicks in here. Okay. Once we break this area, then we can continue to the upside. Okay. Clear sky. Our RSI is bullish. Our XRP hasn't shown yet any sign of reversal. Okay, there's gonna be a correction still. We need a correction for XRP. Okay. Okay, no problem, John Kenneth. Okay. My pleasure. The pleasure is mine. Okay, but if you look at the big picture, if we pull out some fib lines here from bottom, the previous high, what we see is we are currently supported in 0.618. Okay, and we bounce. And now our candle is exactly in 0.5. Okay, that's good. If we break this, we're gonna try to break again the 0.382. Okay, basically that's how it works. Hello to our 20 viewers. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check our description because we have a raffle. Okay, so if you want to join our raffle, just comment 20 USDT. Make sure you share our live and you are part of our community. And also you have your Ulian app. Okay, because your prize will go to our Ulian app. So I don't know if our winner has already received their prize. So I hope they already got their prize. Just chat our T Scholar Welcomer. Okay, so whenever you receive your prize, we will also share it here. So we can have a proof that we really have winners. Okay, winner. Okay, okay. So looking forward for that one. Okay. Okay, okay. So this is the 3 coins that we have checked: Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our raffle so we can input the names that who wants to join our raffle. Okay, we have 50 entries. As of every day is a new entry, okay? So the more entries, the more chances of winning. But as long as you are lucky, then even with small entry, you can be lucky enough to win our raffle, okay? I've seen that. Even Ram Miranda, who first won, I think he only have 2 entry. Lucky guy right there. Yeah, Stephanie. And this price was in Gcash that time. Okay. But this time, we are already in the app. El Negro R. L. Ariel, hello. Magandang hapon. We are Filipino here, okay? I just speak English, so for our foreign people who's watching also, they can get it. But I can speak Tagalog or even Bisaya. I can speak those language also. Myla. And then Chris. My province is, I'm from Davao. Okay, so I'm now in Metro Manila staying as I follow my dream. Right? If you want to be an excellent person, go to the busiest city. Go to the busiest city. So you can hustle hard with them. Ray Velez. And if you have read Junbert Pinega, if you have read The Richest Man in the Babylon, The Richest Man in Babylon, that's really interesting because even if you are hello sir, stay safe po and trade safer. Yes, yes. So, Dan Kenneth, thank you, thank you. So, the author in The Richest Man in Babylon said they are in the richest city, okay, the richest country, and all people say that that is a rich country, city. But what happens is they are still poor. So it doesn't mean that you are staying in a rich country or city that you are all right away rich. Even if you live in United States, if you don't hustle hard, then you will be one of the poor. If you don't know how money works, then you will still be poor. Okay? So the lesson started in that book when they realized that even though they are in the richest city, they are hand to mouth. Okay? So who else wants to join? Hello, June Roden Bangalao. Okay, I think he's new, right? And Myro. Thank you for joining us. Galap. Ayana. Mary. Iconic name. Miranda. John Zamudio. Puezo. Ay, ba. Ara Inc. Don, Kenneth, Chris Cruz. I think Chris Cruz is already here. Okay. Okay, so this is our we have 24 entries for today, okay? Thank you for joining us and thank you for joining our live stream. Okay, we appreciate it. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow will be 8 p.m., okay? So make sure you tune in 8 p.m. tomorrow. Angela, just 1L. No double entry, right? Okay, all good, all good. Thank you for joining us. All the best. Stay safe always, okay? And trade safer. Okay? Take care, take care. Cheers.